Hi, Liz Beavers with Graphic Solutions Group, and what I'm going to show you today is the new extended tubular arm for ZSK machines. This new tubular arm, if you'll notice, is much wider than the standard tubular arms that come with your machine. You'll also see that it has the other holes still here, so we can still move them down for smaller hoops. The advantage this extended arm gives you is now, instead of the 11 by 13 mighty hoop on a single head machine being the largest you could use, you can now actually use the 13 by 16 because now we have the arms that extend out. So for larger embroidery projects or a lot of different patches that you're going to stitch, I would absolutely encourage you to get the new extended tubular arms for ZSK embroidery machines. So give us a call here at Graphic Solutions Group and let's get you outfitted for these larger hoops.